Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. First of all, really sorry for being inconsistent in posting these videos. The last few months have been super busy with coursework, research and whatnot, but finally I'm here to share my experience on how to get an on-campus job here in the US as an international student. Something that can be really tough in the very first semester, but it gets easier over time. So if you are coming to US university or already studying here, this video will help you understand the strategies, timeline and the mindset you need to land a very first on-campus job. So let's get started. So let's be honest, getting an on-campus job in your very first semester is really difficult. Not impossible, but just difficult. Why? Because most of the job gets filled even before you arrive here in the US. Returning students already know the system and they grab the best positions early. And if you are studying at a university with huge international student population, the competition is even tougher. You will be competing with hundreds or even thousands of international students for a limited number of jobs. But don't worry, getting a job in the second semester is way easier, and I'll tell you just why in a bit. First, let's talk about different types of on-campus jobs available. There is RA. If you have technical skills and research experience, this one is the best paying jobs all in the US. Second is TAs, teaching assistants. These roles are usually for students with strong academic backgrounds in a specific subject. Only subjects that you have studied in the university, not outside of the university or in your bachelor's. Library and administrative jobs. This involves front desk jobs, organizing books or handling paperwork. So if you're good at that, this is the one for you. Dining service and cafeteria jobs. These are often the easiest to get since they have like high turnover, but they are the least paying ones. So yeah. Next is help desk and IT support. Great for students with technical skills and customer experiences. So if you are good with technology and customer service, then this is the one for you. So now let me talk about my personal experience of getting a research assistant job at Illinois Tech in my very second semester. So I work as a research assistant. I work on motion data, building models, machine learning models on top of it, doing analysis and all. That is all my job role. So how I got it. Networking with professors is really important. Even before applying to the university, I started talking to professors whose research interest matched my background. I attended their office hours, asked good questions, and showed genuine interest in their work. So next was building a strong resume. I tailored my resume to highlight my experience in AI and machine learning, making sure it matched the skills professor was looking for. Applying at the right time, this is really important. So I applied at the start of the second semester when many RAs have graduated from the university and professor need replacements, right? And that's when the opportunities open up. And here at Illinois Tech, at the start of every semester, they will have an event where professors will come, pitch their research interest, the projects they are working on, and they will also let you know if they are looking for an RA. So after the event, you can gently walk up to the professor, the project you are most interested in, ask him if they're looking for an RA, hand them your resume. If your skills matched what they want, they will reach out to you, and if they don't, the fourth point will come in handy. Following up, like just submitting the application, like handing over the resume is not just enough. You have to follow up through mails or even in person, politely reminding them about your application. So coming to the tips, if you are still in your first semester, here is what you should be doing right now. Start networking early. Go to the events, talk to the professor, connect with seniors who already had jobs, ask for referrals if they have, because internal hiring is the key. To be very honest, most of the jobs get filled through internal referrals and hiring. Apply for multiple jobs. Don't just put your hopes on one position. Apply to multiple jobs. The more applications you do, the better are the chances. Check university portal daily. Most of the universities post jobs on their internal career websites like Handshake, Simplicity. Illinois Tech has Handshake. where they post all the on-campus jobs and all. Apply as soon as the new job is listed. So the quicker you apply, the more better chances you have. Improve your resume and cover letter. So tailoring your resume according to the job role, the job description is really important. Highlighting any relevant experience, even it's from your home country, you should put it into your resume. So for example, if the job is non-technical, it's an help desk job, you shouldn't be putting I have worked as a machine learning engineer at Tata Motors. That won't be relevant. Instead, you should be putting like I volunteer at Smart India Hackathon as a lead, like control room head. That's what, like, you help people, right? So you should be putting that experiences in your resume. Now okay, so yeah, one more thing, be open to different jobs. Even if you didn't get your dream job in your first semester, take what's available. Experience matters, so take whatever you get. Don't be like I wanted this job, so I will just apply for that job. If you're getting another job, go for it, I would say. Now here is why second semester is much more easier for getting an on-campus job. So what happens is many students from the university graduates or leave their job for like an internship or something like that, which will open up position. You already know the campus, the hiring process, and you have made some connections. You might get referrals into getting a job. If you have a friend who was working as for a certain role and he's leaving it, he will refer you for that job. So your chances are much more higher than the people applying on the job portal. Professors and departments prefer hiring students who have been around for at least a semester, who know things around the campus. They are not new to the campus, so your chances are again much more higher than when you are in the first semester. So if you don't get a job in your first semester, don't lose hope. Keep applying, keep networking, and your chances will increase in the next semester. That's what happened to me. I got rejected every single time in the first semester, and I got accepted for an RA position in the second semester. So that's it for today. I hope my experience and tips will help you land an on-campus job. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more content on student life in the US. There are more coming up. Drop your questions in the comment below. I'll surely answer them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Keep exploring.